Okay, this matter relates to conspiracy to commit acts of terrorism, and then it's also involved issues of the defendant going on embarking upon terrorist training in Iran, and also carrying out surveillances on Israeli and U.S. embassy with the intention of committing acts of terrorism.
So what's the position of the prosecutor right now?
Yeah, the matter has commenced, as you can see, honestly due to the new leadership in DSS, which is taking steps to ensure that all matters that are ongoing, that are very slow, are expedited. And that's why we are in court during vacation to have this matter dealt with immediately. So today the matter came up, and for adoption of written addresses in the trial within trial. So the matter has now been adjourned for ruling on the trial within trial. Well, when the prosecution, through their witness, wanted to tender the extrajudicial statements of the defendant counsel objected that those statements were not made voluntarily. So it was on the basis of that, and the court now adjourned the matter to be tried, that the matter be done in trial within trial. So that is the reason why we are back on trial within trial, because the defendant counsel objected to the admissibility of the extrajudicial statement because of the fact that they were not made voluntarily. So we called witnesses. We called 3 witnesses. The defendant individually on their own gave evidence, and they did not call any witness. So the court asked us to file our written addresses, which we have done. And today, what we did today was to adopt those written addresses, and the matter has now been adjourned for ruling.
So finally from me, how do you react to the claims that your clients, they maltreat suspects?
Yes.
That is the height of fallacy. Such thing, when one wants to give somebody a bad name in order to anger, that's exactly what they have done. They just want to draw attention and then move away from the case, the real issue before them. So it's not true. It's not true.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Right. Thanks. Yeah.